Hey everyone, Trot this side. Today we are exploring something truly futuristic, the Neosapien NEO 1, India's first AI native wearable. So this little pendant claims to be your second brain, capturing conversations, tracking emotions, and keeping your digital memory intact. In this video, we'll do the full unboxing and I'll even share an in-depth review of this device. So yeah, let's just start with unboxing. So this is how you'll get the package. So I'll just pull the tape direct from here. Here you have it, guys. The Neosapien NEO 1. Here you see the branding. Here you will see the QR code. Yeah. So here we have it, guys. Let's unbox it. Here you'll see the little device. I'll keep it aside. So what all do you get in the box? I guess this would be the manual. Yeah, so it basically shows Neosapien. It talks about how to basically set it up. Cool. I'll be sharing that in the video. Here is the QR to user application. So guys, all the product link as well as the app links of the App Store and the Google Play Store will be down in the description. This I assume will be the charging cable. Yeah. Okay. So you get a good braided charging cable just like you get with your new iPhones and all. So it's a Type-C cable. Okay. So here we'll have the chain to like wear it. I'll just keep everything aside. So yeah guys, you guys must be wondering who is it for. So for example, if you're a professional and you automatically wants to transcribe your meetings, identify action items and make your follow-ups easy, this one is for you. Second, if you are a student and you want to record your lectures, highlight essential moments for recall. Third would be a purpose-driven, like it will support people with memory challenges by securely storing their conversational data. And fourth would be for the creative thinkers. I feel it will help synthesize ideas from chats and it will also give out solutions to you. So yeah, here is the device. So yeah, let me just attach the chain to the device now. So you just have to now wear it. I'll just probably show you how to set it up within your application. So yeah, the links are down in the description for both iOS and Android versions. Just click on the Neosapien app, open it, and you'll see a UI like this. I'll just sign in with my Google, or you can use any other. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. I just click the email, click on continue. And yeah, now I have signed in. I'll just click on tap to connect. And yeah, it is connected now. As you can see, it shows a white color. So it has basically 3 LED indicators. White basically means it is under active mode. No light means it is under sleep mode. And amber means it is currently charging. So I'll even show you if I tap it. So you'll be seeing on the app that it is now under the sleep mode. And if you want to just make it under the active mode, just double tap it once again. And yeah, it is now under the active mode. So I'll probably put it under the sleep mode right now. So yeah guys, this particular device is available in 4 colors, which are the black, gunmetal, copper and silver. It is priced at 12K right now. The link is down in the description if you want to buy one. Regarding the battery guys, it lasts about 2 to 3 days under normal usage and up to 10 hours if you like use it continuously. Regarding the privacy guys, the data is end-to-end encrypted and it is processed securely in the cloud. So you don't have to worry about that. So yeah guys, I'll probably use this device for a week now and then I'll give you an in-depth review of the same. So yeah guys, I've been using this device for a week now. And before I get into the pros and cons, I'll actually test it live. We are going to do a real-time transcription and see if the Neosapien NEO 1 can keep up. You'll now hear a conversation between Julian and Maya about their clothing business.
Hey, I'm Julian, co-founder of Stitch Lane, a D2C streetwear brand. We focus on high-margin SKUs, and we've recently optimized our supply chain through just-in-time manufacturing to reduce dead stock.
Nice to meet you, Julian. I'm Maya. I head growth at Woven Theory, a premium women's wear label. We're big on lifecycle marketing and just integrated a CDP to personalize user journeys across touchpoints.
Smart move. We've been experimenting with zero-party data via post-purchase surveys to refine our customer personas. Are you still relying on meta ads for acquisition?
We were, but Ross has been volatile. We're shifting towards owned media and UGC-led conversion strategies, also exploring wholesale partnerships for an omni-channel presence.
Makes sense. We're looking at global expansion next quarter, starting with the GCC market through cross-border logistics and localized storefronts.
Impressive. Let's sync offline. There might be collab potential between our catalogs.
Absolutely. I'll shoot over a calendar link.
So yeah, as you're able to see that the Neo one was able to transcribe the audio and give me a summary and what would be the next steps. I feel it got 90% of the information and gave the relevant ones out. So I feel it passed the live transcription. Also, you're able to see that it was able to recognize the participants. And also, if I want to ask anything about this particular memory, I can just click on ask me about this memory section and it will give me out the information that I particularly need with regard to this particular memory. So yeah guys, now let's talk about the pros of Neosapien NEO 1. First, I feel it's super lightweight and comfortable. Second, I think would be the transcription accuracy. The live transcription was on point. It handles natural speech, accent pretty well. Third would be the sleek design. It actually looks pretty good and blends well whether you are wearing your formals or casuals. Now we'll talk about the cons of Neosapien NEO 1. The only con I could think of is battery life. I feel battery life could be better. With moderate to heavy usage, it lasts about 2 to 3 days max, so you'll need to keep it charged every few days. So guys, is the Neo one worth it? It's a pretty solid pick for me guys. So if you're someone who constantly take voice notes, attend meetings, it's really for you. And yeah, if you want to buy one, there's a link down in the description and in the pinned comments. So guys, that's it for the video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Also, you can reach out to me over on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.